हरि ओम वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Three kinds of faith. Those who, neglecting the ordinances of scriptures, offer sacrifices filled with faith. What is their position? Is it one of goodness or of passion or of dullness? Shankara argues that the nature of one's faith doesn't depend upon conformity to scriptural injunctions, but on his character and the worship he adopts. While Ramanuja adopts a less liberal view and thinks that those who violate the Shastras out of ignorance or willful neglect, whether with faith or without faith, are to be condemned. The faith of the embodied is of three kinds, Lord Krishna says: born of their nature, good, passionate, and dull. Hear now about it. The faith of every individual is in accordance with his nature. Man is of the nature of his faith. What his faith is, that verily he is. Faith is the pressure of the spirit and humanity, the force that urges humanity towards what is better, not only in order of the knowledge, but in the whole order of spiritual life. Faith, as the inward sense of truth, points to the object over which fuller light is shed later. After all, the ultimate and incontrovertible evidence of any religious faith is the evidence of the believer's heart. A popular verse makes out that the aims which religion offers prove effective according to one's faith in them. Om Tat Sat.